Hi everyone, let's brighten up your vocabulary today by replacing the word happy with five more expressive alternatives. First is joyful. For example, she felt joyful after hearing the good news. It's full of positive vibes. Next, elated. Try this. He was elated when he won the award. Great for big moments. How about content? Use it for quiet happiness. Like I felt content just sitting by the fire. Then we have aesthetic. For instance, the fans were ecstatic after their team's victory. Finally, overjoyed. Try it in this sentence. She was overjoyed when her family surprised her. Which one matches your mood today? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons that make learning. See you in the next episode.